basically me and my cousin are trying slime lickers for the first time.
Bro, I've never tried this.
Same.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try the blue raspberry first.
Same. We're gonna rate it. We're gonna rate it, right?
Mm-hmm. Out of 100. Ow, I heard these are really hard.
Oh. Wait, don't wait. I finally got it open. Oh, you didn't have to take the wrapper off?
No. I just broke it.
It doesn't taste like anything.
Because you have to do this. Girl. You gotta like... And then once you start doing that... Mm-hmm. Out of 100, 100. Now I'm gonna try the.
Oh my god.
The red one. Oh, I actually got the normal color. Wait.
Oh my god, me too.
I think these are okay.
Mine.
Shut up.
This one tastes like sour. Oh my god, my cheeks are watering. I mean, no, my mouth is watering. Oh god.
Bruh. That. This one. I would have to give this a 96. It's not better than blue raspberry. Period.
I feel like blue raspberry is better.
Oh, what do you rate them?
Oh yeah, blue raspberry. I rate this
100 for me.
102.
Can't go overboard, but we'll say that's 100. Anyway.
Okay. Next cherry.
Cherry. 96.
I'm gonna have to go with an 87.
These are really good.
Oh my god.
Anyway,
I did not realize how good
slime lickers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But why do they
And
slime
it says
in it?
so. I don't know. Why does it say toxic waste when it's not even sour?
Sour rolling.
We're just gonna skip that. Anyway, bye. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.